You guys are not gonna believe this. Do not sleep on Instagram. In this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly why. I'm gonna explain 3 reasons why you need to be marketing your t-shirt brand on Instagram and why I personally believe that Instagram will continue to be a super effective platform well into the future. I gathered these 3 statistics from leading marketing reports and studies, and I think you're gonna be blown away by some of them. First, over 70% of Instagram users report that Instagram posts have affected purchasing decisions. Second, 50% of users say that they have visited a website to buy a product after seeing it in an Instagram story. Third, a staggering 90% of Instagram users follow at least one company or brand. With the launch of Instagram Shops and the level of adoption that we're seeing from both business owners and customers, I think Instagram is going to bounce back in a huge way since the iOS rollout last year. Here are a few important things to remember. People didn't stop using Instagram after the iOS rollout. We just lost access to a lot of their data, which made it more challenging for targeting and advertising. Now, when people purchase using Instagram Shops, they're purchasing in-app, which means Instagram can track all of their in-app activity leading to the purchase. This is huge because since the iOS update last year, it's been very challenging to track the customer's activity after they leave the Instagram platform and go to your website. My t-shirt brand is already having a ton of success with Instagram Shops, and I believe that it's going to be a game changer moving forward. Lastly, I think Instagram Shops is going to be a very effective tool for both advertising and sales well into the future as the tool continues to evolve. If you found this helpful, please help me out by liking and commenting to help the algorithm push us out to more t-shirt brand owners, and follow me for more t-shirt brand tips.